All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. I mean, probably the best time to get in when it's under 3 cents. I mean, we haven't seen this in a long time. We're going to go over that. Go to their website, check out their Twitter. Also, we're going to be talking about Sheetz gas stations accepting the Flexa network and accepting AMP at gas stations. Over 550 locations. We're going to bring that article back. Across the country, people are using the AMP token. Fantastic. And then also, cryptocurrency right now is in a hiring spree. Yep, cryptocurrency is in a hiring spree, and you might be a good fit for it. We're going to kind of talk about that. All right. First, let's do a big congratulations to the Cincinnati Bengals and the Los Angeles Rams. They won yesterday. They're in the Super Bowl. Go Cincinnati. They haven't been there in 30 years. Go Los Angeles Rams. I think it's been about 4 or 5 years. It's going to be a pretty good Super Bowl. Let's go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, AMP token. What's going on with AMP? This is a great time to reposition. Let's head on over. All right, AMP token is number 74 on CoinMarketCap. Look at this, everybody. It's up 10% in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, there's actually some green on the board. Oh my God, I can't believe it. 10%. Man, BAT is up 25%. Talking about AMP today. Clicking the AMP. Still at under 3 cents, 22,028 is what it's at. It's down 4% in the last 24 hours. So on the last day, that's what it kind of looks like. But if we look at the last 7 days, look, it's way higher. Down here it was at 2.5, and right now it's at 2.8. In the last week, it did bounce all the way back. What did it go to? It went all the way to 3.3 and something like that. So right now, the AMP token is up over the last 7 days. That's fantastic. Over at the Twitter account here, the Now Track AMP governance proposal from directly within. We just added coverage for AMP token DAO. Check it out. AMP's available on VOD official. We support for trading, lending, borrowing, saving, trading AMP. You know, it's kind of nice right here. You can earn up to 1% with your VOD savings token to collateralize a loan and get 200%. You can earn, you can trade, you can lend, and you can borrow with over 250 coins at VOD. What are you waiting for? Going to go through this before we go through the article. Bitstamp, we kicked off 2 new crypto listings. AMP is one of the 2. AMP, a collateral token from AMP Token, provided assets with instant assurance for real-world applications. So Bitstamp, you can now get AMP token on there. We're listening to Phantom and AMP. And I thought this one was big. Grayscale, we just announced. This is at the beginning of the month. That basically a DeFi fund, which is now with AMP. It's the first time AMP will be included in Grayscale's investment vehicle. Read the thread. So you can actually do an investment through Grayscale. An AMP token be one of the tokens you select for your portfolio. Pretty sweet and awesome. All right, here, Sheetz gas station. This was, again, a few months ago, but I think it's pretty important to bring it up. Sheetz becomes the first C store to accept digital currency. Right here with Flexa. So Sheetz accepting digital currency using Flexa instant scalable climate neutral payment technology at Sheetz stores later this summer. So this has been going on since the summertime. They rolled it out. There's over 622 stores. Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and Maryland. With the interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high, it's easy to lose sight of the fact that there are real, tangible benefits for merchants who accept them. Not only reduce fraud and cost savings, but also better and more mobile customers' experience. Sheetz is one of the most forward-thinking brands in the business, understanding the customer base from anyone, which is just fantastic because Sheetz is now offering Flexa, which is powered by AMP, at 622 stores across the country, which is fantastic because people are using more cryptocurrency. We just learned yesterday that Visa, they've got the cryptocurrency linked to their credit cards, and $2.5 billion in payments were made in the first quarter of the year. Well, everybody, it's still the first month of the first quarter. $2.5 billion made in January, and they said that was 70% of what it was last year in the first month. Fantastic stuff. So AMP is basically in 600 and some gas stations across the country. Another good positive thing. With the coin being low, under 3 cents, I remember when the coin was under 5 cents and people wanted to load up. Then when it got to under 4 cents or around 4 cents, people really wanted to load up. Well, it's 2.8 cents. This is maybe the time that you really, really want to load up. All right, cryptocurrency is hiring. There's a frenzy. Everyone in the country is hiring. But what about crypto? All right, we'll come back to that. Crypto bubbles real quick. Some of my fans don't know about crypto bubbles. It's HTTP cryptobubbles.net. And look at all these little things that are floating around. You know, hit Atom, and it pulls up the information right in front of you. Hit FTT, FTX token. So it's just kind of a nice little thing. Hit Matic. It pulls up all your stats. You can obviously, check everything out. You can move it around, kind of see how it moves and stuff. You got different features up at the top. But right here is your AMP token. AMP token is at 0289, so you can see it's not quite at 3 cents. It shows you the high was 333. It's right there. It's kind of interesting. Market cap, 24th volume. It's ranked 77th, 1.2 BB. And so, a lot of good stuff here on crypto bubbles. All right here, cryptocurrency is in a hiring frenzy, and you might just be a good fit. Article came out basically yesterday. It says it's a bold new world and cryptocurrency gains mainstream streak. There's sizzle gold rushing in hiring. According to the new Indeed report, searches for careers in cryptocurrency and blockchain the technology supports have spiked, and posting careers in the field have jumped 118% in July of 21 compared with the previous year. The boom seems to be here, foreseeable for future. Startup jobs, ventureloop.com and upwork.com are easy to use job sites and features new companies. Growth opportunities are working with non-fungible NFTs, gaming, and anything related to the metaverse. Yep, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and more. Worldwide, digital currency represents the virtual physical tokens. There are secure cryptographies that don't rely on banks instead of currency stored in digital wallets. It won't vary like any other currency. The market is open 24/7, can be traded around the clock. Cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology, essential for digital public ledger. NFTs are also stored on blockchains and associated with digital files like photos, artwork, videos, and audio. So there's a big spike in cryptocurrency getting hired with the blockchain, NFTs, this and that. Did an article the other day, a 24-year-old girl made $300,000 minting NFTs on her own art. So you may want to get a job, get some experience, and then break off into your own thing. But look at that, everybody. Cryptocurrency companies are hiring. It's up 118% spike from last year to this year. Holy cow. All right, how about that AMP? 2.8 cents. You loving it or hating it? You're hating it if you bought it at 4 cents and 5 cents and 6 cents. I mean, you're really upside yourself. You can't believe it. But if you're just getting in right now, this is the most amazing time. Go back and look at my channel for the last 3 or 4 months. Coins at 4.5 cents, coins at 5 cents, 5.2 cents, went up to 7 cents. 2.8 cents, this is a great time to reposition, get yourself in, get in for the first time. All our information is for educational purposes only. Over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like CUSD with instant variable assurance, any real-world application. There's 3 things you do with the AMP. You stake the AMP, you send the AMP, and you repeat. Why AMP? AMP helps decentralize risk for users with smart contracts, features built for collateral. Nothing more, nothing less. Our friends and collaborators from staking payments and Flex to providing stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to earn AMP today. A couple other partners and friends, basically, Bittrex, Gemini, Sushi, Uniswap, Rainbow, CoinGecko, Chainlink, just to name a few. All right, we're back over here at CoinMarketCap. What's our price prediction? We used to say we thought that AMP was going to get back to 8 to 12 cents. Right now, that's not my prediction. I'm going for 4.1 cents, 4.2 cents. It'll be like a 25-30% increase when that happens. So our price prediction is AMP's going to get back to 4 cents, back to 4.2 cents in the next, by the end of this quarter. All information is for educational purposes only. But when some big things happen and some big announcements happen, this coin should jump. This is at a low point, so you may want to really look at this. You may never see these numbers again. Again, AMP token right here at under 3 cents, up 10%. All right, that's some fantastic stuff. Thanks for checking out the AMP. Remember, cryptocurrency is hiring in banshees right now. It's a frenzy, up 118%. Get yourself some experience working for the blockchain, working for NFTs. Could actually kick off your career. All kinds of stuff. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Again, congratulations, Cincinnati and Los Angeles Rams, Cincinnati Bengals. Los Angeles Rams gonna be in the Super Bowl in 2 weeks from now. You're gonna see more cryptocurrency advertisements for the Super Bowl than you've ever seen in your life. All right, thanks for tuning in today, and you have a fantastic day.